GIFT Nifty is pointing to a positive start for Dalal Street. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests that a bullish day out on backdrop of 1. Wall Street pushing higher in Friday's trade after the US CPI inflation update that came in softer than expected, sending the S&P 500 and Nasdaq toward record highs and lifting the Dow by 472 points. 2. Renewed optimism on trade as hopes rise that the US may cut tariffs on Indian imports to 16%. Bottom line, all bullish I set on Nifty's all-time peak at 26,277.35, which is likely to be sooner rather than later. For the day, Nifty may reclaim 26,000 mark. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Friday's volatile session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 622 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 173 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive rebound play. Fano October month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 27,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 11.59 levels. At last check, USD INR, October, was trading near the 87.82 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 0.65 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 0.84. Nifty outlook, bullish sentiment likely to stay alive, with all eyes on Nifty's all-time high of 26,277.35 with an interweek perspective. Nifty, CMP to 5795. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,701 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 26,277 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,700 and 26,000. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 84212. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 83,300 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,979 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 83,900 and 84900. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 57700. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 57,400 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 58,600 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,300 and 58,300. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. In Friday's session, Nifty couldn't sustain early gains, with both Nifty and Sensex ending below the dotted lines by the close. The big question, is Nifty's bullish momentum fading? Well, Nifty has scaled higher close for fourth straight week. We still suspect the ongoing rally may last. Technically, the bullish momentum may well sustain as long as Nifty stays above 25,451 mark. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Federal Bank, plus 0.13%, gained after board approves capital raise proposal worth 6,196.51 crore rupees. The bank's board approved a proposal to grant 27.29 crore warrants at a price of 227 rupees apiece to Asia to Topco 13, amounting to a total cash consideration of 6,196.51 crore rupees. 2. Cipla tumbled 3.61% after the company announced that it has entered into an agreement with Eli Lilly to distribute tirzepatide in India under the brand name Yerpeak. The drug, indicated for the treatment of type 2 diabetes and obesity, will be priced at par with Eli Lilly's Mounjaro. 3. Hindustan Unilever Ltd, HUL, plunged 3.33% after the firm posted a 4% year-on-year rise in consolidated net profit for Q2 FY26 to 2,694 crore rupees, but aided by a one-off tax gain. 4. Kotak Bank Q2 results, net profit falls 2.7% YoY, NII up 4% at 7,311 crore rupees. Net advances increased 16% YoY to 462,688 crore rupees as at 30th September 2025 from 399,522 crore rupees as at 30th September 2024. The earnings calendar promises to be eventful. Key earnings on radar this week. Times Monday, 27th October Indian Oil Corporation, Adani Energy Solutions, Indus Towers, and SRF. Times Tuesday, 28th October TVS Motor Company, Adani Green Energy, Tata Capital, and Shree Siemens.